The CEOs of leading Chinese and German auto manufacturers have shared views on the development of global new energy vehicles industry in recent interviews with Xinhua.
低碳可持续，我想现在是全球的一个主流的方向。在中国在这方面的话，也是非常的坚持这个发展的方向。
China has grown into a powerhouse of the international automotive industry. China is therefore leading the development of the global new energy industry, and the era of new energy has come.
China has been the world's largest automobile production and sales country for 14 consecutive years, and the production and sales of new energy vehicles topped the global market for the 8th year in a row. Particularly as China is turning its NEV industrial advantages into an industrial trend, it has seen a large number of domestic NEV companies growing rapidly and more investments from overseas.
Well, Volkswagen Anhui is Volkswagen Group's first majority-owned joint venture for all electric vehicles in China. It's a key pillar for the group's e-mobility push and decarbonization strategy in China and globally. With a planned investment of 23.1 billion RMB, we are in full speed in building up a new NEV hub along the complete value chain covering R&D, manufacturing and sales and services. These investments complete our In China for China strategy for fast and customer solutions for the China market.
因为我们有全球最大的汽车市场，我们有非常完整的智能化和电动化的这样一个供应链体系，我们还有人才和技术的基础，非常持续的产业的政策的支持，所以中国的企业毫无疑问在这样一个汽车变革的浪潮里面，有一些好的这样的一些机会啊。